Hi guys, welcome to the new vlog. And you're probably wondering, what am I doing? This is the worst start possible to a vlog. But this is what happens when your sister's in town. I thought this is going to be a very eventful week where we do stuff and get stuff done. We are literally sitting on the bed watching Office. Let's try to keep this in mind that she has planned nothing. I have plans. For starters, we need to get a tattoo.
What?
Okay,
First
talk.
of all, clean your camera. How many times have I taught you the same thing?
This was a bad idea.
Guys, has this ever happened to you? And when I say guys, I strictly mean younger siblings. That your sibling is just dumb. Has this ever happened to you? Drop down in the comment.
Okay, it's quite late. It's 12:30, and now I'm gonna test my sister. So basically, in lockdown.
Oh, I swear I don't wanna do this right now.
In lockdown, I used to practice my bandishes. It happened at such a level that Ria basically memorized.
She still does. And it's not because of the amount of practice she does, it's because she sings it in my face.
So I'm gonna sing a beginning line of a bandish, and Ria is going to guess it. Mori gagarina. Mori gagarina.
She knows I know.
What is it?
Singing Bharanade.
Bharanade. Which rag is this?
Yaman.
No, next one I'll ask. Bela.
Annoying. Frantically.
What rag is this? Do you know?
Bhagyashree. No, I was gonna say the correct one, but you are wrong.
Okay.
It's actually Meghmalar.
No, it's not. Okay, what is this? Ye re ye main kaise.
I don't know this.
You know it.
I don't know.
Ye-
Ghar jao.
Yes. Ghar jao. What rag is this?
Bhagyashree.
Yes. Oh my god. Okay, now tough one.
Do you know?
जोगिया मोरे घर
Aye.
आए.
This is light work, bro. Light work. No reaction. Let me
Okay.
tell you the rag. Lalad. Yeah.
Are you joking?
Yeah. Fight me.
Okay. Next one. Let me think. What else have I practiced in front of you? That's made it. Ah.
Ah.
Tanom tanana.
Same thing. Like Tanom Tanana.
Tanom tanana. Do you know what rag this is?
Miyaki Malar.
No. It's Tilak Kamod. Okay. Tadare tare
Stop
dani.
this. I swear
No, you're right, but just with me, sing it.
I am not saying.
Tadare tare dani. Dir dir dim 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 tanom. Tanom tana dirina. Tana dirina tana dirina. Tare dani dir dir dim 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 tanom. Guys, she has never learnt this. Just like by listening, she has learnt all these bandishes, and that blows my mind, Ria. Hello, we are going to Kolaba. Ria has no interest in being in these vlogs.
Yeah, because I have actual work.
Also, look at these cute jutis, you guys. Stop.
Show them your bag. I think that's also very
Yeah,
cute.
also this bag that my mom crocheted for me. So why are we going to Kolaba is we have to collect Ria's graduation certificate, and then we're just gonna like hang, I guess. We're gonna shop a little bit.
We're gonna shop. We're gonna spend
And-
my money. And we're gonna meet cats. And then
We're gonna meet cats, we're gonna meet us, we have to order cat food.
Gonna see. Yeah. And then we're gonna
Come home.
yes.
Come back home. Fun fact about my sister is that she's an artist and she graduated.
Fun fact. It's my
Interesting.
profession.
Interesting fact about
It's
my
not a
sister.
hidden talent.
That she's an artist, and last year she graduated from JJ. So now we are here to collect her graduation certificate. There are so many cats in JJ.
There were 3 of them.
Okay, that's a lot.
Yeah, guys, she lies a lot.
Stop saying that.
Raging liar.
Now there is nothing to do for the next 20 minutes because someone didn't ask what the lunch timings are. So now we're stuck here for a while. Okay, now Riya, give us a tour of JJ.
Okay, cool.
We just passed the really pretty, beautifully painted canteen. And now where are we going?
Now we are going towards the Fine Art Campus.
Fine Art Campus. Everything's under construction for some reason.
Because it's a legacy campus. It's very, very old.
Uh-huh.
So this is part of their maintenance because it's gorgeous architecture. It's one of the things that they pride themselves on, and it's really important to take care of it.
You look so pretty. Look at all these gorgeous sculptures. It's just like around the campus, randomly placed everywhere. It's just brilliant. And all this is made by students, right?
Yeah, all of it.
Wow. Fab, fab. We did it. We collected her certificate. How much you got?
Guys, I passed with distinction. Okay.
And now because it's so
First
hot,
class.
no, it's because it's so hot. We are not doing the shopping plan or any other plan.
because Lido has scanned it and my life.
Yeah, my
I wanted
migraine
to
is
buy
just
accessories. I wanted to buy.
anyway.
Look at my
So my migraine is like going crazy. So now we're gonna go back home, gonna get some work done, and then we'll come here again, but we'll leave in the after. Like we'll leave from our house at 4 p.m. So then by the time we're here, it's evening. It's nice, and then we can actually get the shopping stuff done. My film is out.
Yes, guys, please watch it.
We're doing poster signing, like cute kids.
You gonna watch it, Radko?
We are heading to
Colaba.
Riya is always working.
It's confidential.
Let's go. How is it? What do you want? What is happening? Okay. Party! It's a party! It's not? Don't smell the phone.
You're sitting on the blanket bag. Why are you sitting on the blanket bag?
I'm masked. So basically, I was
Dida
crying
keeps crying.
because Riya's leaving today.
And I have to keep hugging her.
Talk about
Then
the eye
we've
masks.
put eye masks.
They're very nice. They feel like jelly. No.
They're from Beck Skin, which is a brand by Bilkis Fati, and they're very good. Alright guys, thanks for watching our vlog and coming to Colaba with us. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Bye. See you next week.